Prepare a space to lay your TV down flat. Lay a cloth sheet out to protect the screen. Gently rest the TV face down. Unbox the TV bracket and wall mount and lay out the components. Then, take the TV bracket and bolts. Using the bolts and spacers provided, secure the bracket to the TV. Ensure the orientation of the bracket is the correct way up. Be careful not to over-tighten the screws, as this could damage the TV. For stud wall installations, customers will need to locate the vertical stud work with a stud finder. Your wall mount needs to be fixed to the studs, not the plasterboard. All walls should be checked for power cables and pipes. Once satisfied with the planned wall mount location, position the wall mount on the wall. Check its level. Then mark the centre of the holes ready for drilling. Make a pilot hole in the centre of your fixing point marks. Then increase the size of the hole with a drill bit of a suitable size for your chosen wall fixings. Use the spacers provided in the fixing kit between the screw head and the bracket. Secure the bracket to the wall using appropriate wall fixings. Avoid over-tightening the screws, as this could damage the wall. Hang the TV onto the wall bracket. Secure the TV by tightening the locking screws. Set the screen to the perfect viewing position and use the cable clip to keep your cables tidy.